Lesson 17, measuring angles with a protractor. Okay, so angles are measured in degrees. A full circle measures 360 degrees. So if we were to go all the way around the circle, we would have gone 360 degrees. A half circle is half of 360, or 180 degrees. And a protractor is a tool used to measure angles. There's 4 different types of angles that you need to know. The first one is an obtuse angle, and that has a measure between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Between does not include the 90 and 180. It's just all the values that are greater than 90 and less than 180. An acute angle is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. And a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. And a straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. So next to these, I just want to draw a picture of what they look like. An obtuse angle is greater than 90, but less than 180, which is a straight line. Acute is less than 90 degrees. A right angle is what is formed when 2 perpendicular lines intersect. And exactly 180 degrees looks like a straight line. So that's actually the measure of that angle is 180 degrees. When we draw an angle, we have 2 rays that have the same vertex. So there's one ray, and then we start another ray, and then that's how we would draw our angle. I'm going to show you how to measure with a protractor. So some of you already got them out of your boxes. If you have your own, you can use it. Looks kind of like that. Yes, Luke.
Wouldn't obtuse be 91 and here 180?
No, because a 90.1 is obtuse. So anything above 90 degrees, even 90.00001 would be obtuse, as long as it's greater than 90.
You're thinking boxes broken.
That's okay. You could still use it, I think. So if we were to draw an angle, so I just want you to do kind of a straight ray that's going off to the left. And then we'll kind of do an obtuse angle. Use Yours might be a little less. Now it's important to look at the angle. So you can tell just by looking at it that it's obtuse. So you're going to want a number that's greater than 90. These protractors have two scales. They have the one on the outside starts at 0 here on the left. It goes over to 180. The one on the inside starts at 0 and then goes over to 180. So I need to make mine a little bit longer. If you need to make yours longer, now's a good time. There we go. To measure it, you want to put this open circle on your protractor right on the vertex of your angle. And then one side of the ray needs to be along the line that goes through that center circle. Because it's obtuse, these two measures here, I need to look at the top measure. And I can look and see it goes 130 to 140 and it's 2 over. So I would say mine is 132 degrees. So yours is super close to what mine is. Now if I were reading the other way, so if I extended out and made an angle here, then it would be 48 degrees. So this way they get bigger going to the left, this way they get bigger going to the right. Yes?
I'm kind of behind, so
Oh.
what do we?
So we drew an angle in our notes, kind of an obtuse angle, and then measured it with our protractor. So have you measured angles before? Okay. Okay, good. So this is kind of a practice. We will be doing the practice set, but I'm going to end the video now for the lesson.